Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Ace 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the iPhone. Before we start, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone or with an iPhone via the Fitbit application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So we need to open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, we need to scroll down to the bottom, and right here on the bottom or at the bottom you have the list of apps installed on your iPhone. Find the Fitbit application on this list and tap on it. Here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled for the application, the Bluetooth option. Also tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. Once it's enabled, you can go back to the settings, scroll all the way up and tap on Bluetooth. Here find the Ace 3 on the list. Here we have it. Tap on the info icon next to it, like this, and make sure that the share system notifications is enabled. If it is, you can go back, close the settings, but if it's not, enable it and then close the settings. Okay, so once we enable the required permissions, we can open the Fitbit application on our iPhone. In the app, you should see the home page, the Today page. You can tap on the profile icon to open the account page. And here you should see the Ace 3 on the list of devices connected to your phone. If you don't see it, you could be on the parent view in the application. So if you don't see this button right here, switch to the parent view, you will need to switch to kid view. I'm gonna switch to parent view quickly so I can demonstrate how to do it. So let's enter the password. Okay, tap confirm, wait until it switches to the parent view. And in the parent view, when you open the account page, you won't see the Ace 3 on the list because you can only use it with the kids view for some reason, but it is how it works. And to enter the kids view, you will need to tap on My Family. You should have the family set up already if you pair the devices together. Now find the child and tap on the switch to kid view. And in the kid view, you can tap on profile, tap on Ace 3 to open the device page for it. And here you should see the notifications option. Tap on it, make sure that the calls is enabled, and now you should be able to receive the notifications about calls on your Fitbit Ace 3. On the Android, it allows you to test the notifications. For some reason it doesn't allow it right here, so I can't show it to you, but now you should be able to receive the notifications. So if somebody calls you on your iPhone, your band should basically vibrate when somebody's calling you. And you should see the information about the person calling you displayed on the band also. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smartband on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.